Good afternoon. I hope everyone is well. I got some extra cash from Father's Day, and I thought what better place to put it than to use it for pick and pull. If you're interested in seeing how this game goes today, stick around. Let's get it. Okay, so if it's your first time seeing pick and pull, it's my second time today doing the pick and pull. What it is just another way to save. Little game that I put together. This is our denominations here, so the amount of money that I'd be saving. Also, there's like some skips or times twos in there, and then I'm saving all this savings areas from my vision binder. So vision binder and the areas in my vision binder, I actually pulled out what I needed for this game, and it is all up here. So for the vision binder today, I've got everything is in here except for moving and toiletries, which are all stuffed. I've completed these sinking funds. So I have all the rest in here: pantry, home, my bedroom, furniture, my son's room, decorations, and kitchen. So all those are in here as options for savings or areas for envelopes, vision binder. And then we are going to put in here, what I did was just pull out denominations for what we have to save today. And then I've got the times twos. I'm going to add 2 times twos in here and 2 skips also. So I just need to mix these up some. Hope everyone is well. Today is Monday. I'm actually off. I took off work today, finishing up Father's Day weekend. I thank you all for all the well wishes, for stopping by my channel yesterday and even today and wishing me a happy Father's Day. Thank you for that. Thank you very much. I had a great Father's Day, chilled with the family. Got some nice gifts, got some extra cash, just had a good time. So now I said, hey, before this money goes too far, before I spend it on something I don't really need, I did get me some cologne that smells really nice. Let's put away right now, but I'm happy about it. And that was going to actually come out of my me binder, so I don't have to pay for that now. All right, so these are all split up. I've got 5s times 2s, 20. I put 150 in there where we can count the cash. So what I did in this game, again, it can change up. What I did was I pulled a number denomination for each denomination of cash that I have. So I have each one for in there, and then I also have the skips and times 2 in there. For cash today, we will be stuffing 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 160, 170, 175, 80, 85, 90, 95, $195 is what we're going to stuff today. And we'll see where pick and pull decides to put it today. I put the game together just as a way to kind of randomly save and kind of let the game decide what goes where. So again, if it's your first time watching it, just check it out, see what you think about it. I did change the case. I made a little case for it, and I kind of like how it sits. It's perfect size for the game. But let me know what you think about it. And if it's your second time, if you did watch the first one, here we go again. All right, let's go. Won't keep you any longer. Let's get this done. First category is my son's room. And for my son's room, he is getting skipped. Sorry, kiddo. That takes one of the skips out, so there's still one more in here. Next is kitchen, and kitchen will be getting a times 2 of $5, so $10 for kitchen today. And I'll just sit these under here till the end. Next is my son's room, so we can see if it comes back around for him, and he's going to be getting $20. So that's a good win. It came back. Son's room, $20. My room, all right. If you watched the first one, you know that in the last game, I was excited to stuff my room, and my room got skipped. I don't think my room actually didn't get anything for that stuffing. So let's see what fate says today for my room, and we're getting $5. So we got something today. My room gets $5 so far. Pantry, let's see. Pantry will be getting $20 today. Again, you know I said I like to cook. Want to make sure we have some food in the pantry. Pantry's getting $20 in there today. Next is my room again. Has come back around. My room, and my room today will also be getting another $5. We're up to 10. My room is doing all right today. All right, let's see. Furniture. Furniture today will be getting $10 for furniture. And furniture, $10. Money's going fast. We'll see who gets that 50 today. Let's see. Pantry is next. And pantry will be getting another $20. Pantry's doing really well in this game. Let's see. Furniture is next, and furniture will be getting skipped. We're skipping furniture that round. So that was both skips. So there were only 2 in this deck right here that I put in here. So the skips are done. There is one more ×2. Otherwise, we've got denominations. We'll see how long they last. Pantry is back up. Pantry is very plentiful in that deck today. Pantry will be getting the other ×2, and we are ×2 in 10. So Pantry's getting a third $20 today. Pantry's gonna be real good. Let's see. We're pulling another one, and again, this is all coming from my vision binder. And decoration today will be getting the 50. 50 goes to decoration today. It came up in the comments. I was saying I wasn't really sure what I was thinking decoration wise, but I had not thought about buying stuff like a new vacuum or like new blinds if necessary. So that's what will be coming out of decoration. So we'll definitely keep stacking that area. Furniture is back around, and furniture will be getting $20 for furniture. We got a few bucks left. It's a quick game, so I won't keep you. Almost done. Furniture, let's see, past that. And actually, before I get out of here, because we want to update. Let's see if I can get this situated so we can update these trackers with our new numbers. All right. How are you guys liking? How are you all liking pick and pull so far? Put this up there. Pick and pull so far. Let's see. We don't need. We will hide this. And we will full screen. It's a little tight, but we'll make it work. All right, perfect. We've got 15 more dollars to go. Next, we have kitchen is up again, and kitchen's getting $5. $5, just because that's what's left in here. Let's see. Pick and pull. Chill out over here. Bam. Kitchen. And what do we have? Decoration. And decoration will be getting $20. So we are at the end. What I did last time, we've got 10. And I'm going to actually do it again. I'm going to go to my binder. And I'm going to take it out of, I don't have any change. Let's see. Who's got extra change in here? Oh, nope. I'm going to go, I don't have any extra change in my binder. But in my monthly spending binder, I do have a little stash in here. And I happen to have $10 in stash. Thanks, stash. That was just in case of emergency. This was an emergency. I'm going to put this 20 into decoration here. And there it is. That is pick and pull. There was another 5 in there because we had the doubles. It didn't come back around. And these go here. And these go here. That's pick and pull for you. All right. Let's see who got what today. Home didn't actually get anything. Nothing for home today. Furniture. Let's get this in here. Furniture is getting, don't get dizzy moving this around. Furniture is getting $20 today, and that's going to take us up. That's going to take us to 5, 6, 50, 70, 90, 110, 120. That's 720, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 775 for furniture. Furniture is up to 775. And decoration today is getting a nice little chunk. 50, 60, 65, $70 for decoration. Get out of there. And let's see. Decoration is getting some cash. That puts decorations at 1, 2, 3, 400, 50, 70, 90. $510, $510, $520, $30, $40, $45, $50, $55, $60, $560, up to $560 for decoration. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Getting this binder stuff slowly but surely. Getting ready, making preparations. I talked to my realtor this morning. She's actually we plan to go see some houses next week or this week. She did find some new ones for me to look at, so I'm looking forward to that. Pantry's at 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20 for pantry. Pantry 320. My bedroom did get $10 today. And that puts us at 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45. 445 for my bedroom. 445. Can't see that. 445 for my bedroom. My son's bedroom today got $20. And that puts him with his new 20 to 100, 200, 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 256 for my son's room. 256. And last but not least at all, is kitchen. And kitchen today got a whopping $15. Every dollar counts. So we didn't have a whole bunch to save, but it's going into saving, and slowly but surely we'll continue to add this up. Kitchen goes to 1, 2, 250, 270, 280, 90, 95, $300, and $5. And kitchen 305. Perfect. That's all stuffed. I'll put these back into my vision binder. Besides that, we're good to go. Hope everyone had a wonderful day today and is enjoying just out here some nice weather. I thank you for your time. I appreciate you as always. Take care. Peace.